So ground truth is just simply a, it is a measure, not necessarily a measuring tool, but it's a checkoff box. So every time there's an alert, the ground truth comes up. It asks if there was corresponding 911 calls, if there's witnesses, if there was evidence collected. There's other factors there, and they're going in and they're actually reporting back to our dispatch. Our dispatch sometimes doing it, sometimes the officers on the scene are marking that. So it's so routine to the officers, and they know it's so important that I don't even have to follow up on that. So it's a measuring tool for us. So first and foremost, city council authorized this money to be spent. They're reportable to our citizens, just as we are. But now we are providing that data, that ground truth data for every call. And again, we spent a lot of time going over this with our officers to explain what the ground truth actually means. It's not always finding the suspect, finding the gun, but there's other key factors. So we know if there was actual gunfire, and it's an actual crime. So we treat every one of these alerts like a crime. We've had huge success in that, being able to demonstrate that to our city council with those successes.